I feel like I've got the wrong size whisk.
You just need to do the mash. So you just do the...
I'm gonna do the mashed potato on you.
Yeah, mash and then whisk. And you,
that used to be a song,
to,
didn't it? Do the mashed potato?
Yeah. Let me see how Tyler's doing over here with the country ham. Looking good.
Let's splash this with some vanilla.
Okay.
Splash it with some vanilla. I really believe I'm gonna have a good pancake right here. This is like maybe a half a cup of sour cream, 5 eggs, whites and yolks, splash of vanilla, a pinch of baking powder, and just mix it together. And you got basically, and about what, maybe 2 big spoonfuls, maybe when I say big, what, tablespoons? 2 tablespoons of flour. This is a little watery, but we're gonna try it anyway.
You can use the waffle maker if you want to do it instead. That'll hold it in, you know what I'm saying?
Let's do waffles, folks. I'm thinking waffles this morning. I feel like country ham giving me all my vitamins today.
Technique.
You'd be surprised how good these waffles are right here. Faith, folks. I'm speaking it before I taste it.
Oh, that's okay. It's just getting poofy. You know, that happens. That happens to me a lot.
Folks, we're getting a poofy waffle. I'm getting the Christmas plate right here, everybody.
I love those plates. They actually came from Dollar General.
Boom. Now that's what Titus Moss would do for you right there. We bringing the gingerbread to you on this beautiful Saturday morning. Red eye gravy, yeah. Here we go. Country ham, you make red eye gravy. Let's dig her up, let's deglaze. That's good. I don't even know how to make red eye gravy. Here I am talking it up like I know how to do it. Put flour. Come here, waffle. Quit talking back. I know red eye gravy don't probably call for it, so let's just grab a little bit of cream. Alright, that's good. Wow, that's smelling good right there, I gotta say. A spoon of some of this gravy right on the top of that ham, like that. We're gonna be doing something a little different on you. I'm gonna put me a little bit of peanut butter right there on that layer. That's what I'm talking about. Chilled milk. Perfect. That's really good. Now what about this red eye gravy right here that we just made? That ain't bad. We put a little cream in ours, that's good.
We're in Ingles now, getting the stuff that we're making for the church dinner tomorrow. We're in charge of bringing mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and I'm gonna make a red velvet cake and Granny's orange balls.
I hate to say that, but that was actually fun.
It looks fun. Betty Crocker down there. That's Betty Crocker, that's it. But she's not on sale. Well, it's $2.78. Is anybody else on sale?
We know this one's good though.
Betty Crocker's still cheaper, even with Dunkin'.
Yeah, but this one's more red now since I'm looking at it.
Yeah. Whatever you think. Pillsbury's buy one, get one free. Do they got red velvet?
Let's get Dunkin'.
Okay.
Dunkin' loves kids.
Look, Charlie Brown. Now I want to make sugar cookies, but it's not sugar cookie night yet. These are on sale though. And then we need butter, and I need cream cheese, and we need milk. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, and I need to get 2 aluminum pans for the, or I'm sorry, 4 aluminum pans for the potatoes and the macaroni and cheese.
Okay.
The cheapest. Let's find the cheapest.
Folks, we love cheap stuff, folks. We just love cheap stuff.
Preferably with lids.
But you know
cheap.
what? If they're going to charge us more for the lids, we'll just do without lids.
Right, we'll put full on top. Is this $2.78? That's it.
They're going to include the top, so.
Yeah, they got the tops. Donna said she's getting the coffee, so we don't got to worry about the coffee. Oh yeah, and she's doing plates, making sure with the plates and all that stuff.
Okay, good.
So we just need to get now butter and cream cheese.
You want me to slide over and get it?
No. No. I hope they have some cream cheese on sale. What they got? Okay, Tillamook, that's a 1-pack though. It's $2.50. Laura Lynn is $1.98. Okay, here we go. The 2-pack is on sale for $2.78.
There you go.
So we'll get that. And we need some butter. Hopefully they have some butter on sale. Laura Lynn's $3.28. I guess that's as good as it's gonna get. I need a salted and an unsalted.
Have you ever thought about making figgy pudding?
I have actually thought about it once or twice, but nothing ever came of it.
Well, you ain't never had anybody demand it, you know?
Right. This is what you do if there are people where you need to go. You just turn around and act like you're looking at this for a minute. No pressure, no pressure.
You really did need orange.
I need frozen. Yeah. Do they got Kevin's sugar cookie? What is this with that little cow? Would you look at that little cow? It's eggnog. Can you see if they have Kevin's sugar cookie down there? I guess I'll just go with, I'll go with that gingerbread, nut pods gingerbread up there.
You like this one?
Yeah. You got 2 things of milk, good. Did you see that they put Merry Christmas on there?
Oh, that's awesome right there.
I think that's it. Now we just need that frozen orange juice and some ice and we are ready to go. I just saw bluebell peppermint over there. Okay, here's the orange juice. Okay, all right, we're ready.
And the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Okay, y'all, it's a little while later. Just me and Sissy here. All the boys are going to the horse sale. She's making the red velvet cake for tomorrow, and I'm gonna make Granny's orange balls. They're coming from Grandma's Best Christmas Recipes, Gooseberry Patch Cookbook. This is from Pamela in Alabama. It says, my granny used to make these no-bake treats every Christmas for her grandkids. She passed away in 2021 at the age of 103. Granny's orange balls. It says to mix everything together except for the coconut flakes. In a large bowl, mix together all ingredients except garnish, which is the coconut flakes. Mix well using your hands if needed. Cover and chill until firm. Then we shape it into the balls and roll into the coconut. Okay.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him.